Friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to make private server in Roblox. So if you want to make your own server, then just follow me in this video till the end. So first of all, you have to go to roblox.com. So when you tap on it, it will take you to the login page if you haven't logged in yet in browser. So you have to enter your username and password and you will be taken to this page. And once you reach this home page, so now you have to tap on any server you want. So I'm going to tap on in any of the server, like let's tap on this server, type and die. So it will take you to the app of the Roblox. So let the game it open, and once it is open, you have to tap on this icon, this like a people or like this icon. Just tap on it, and now you can tap on this create private server. Now you have to enter the name of the server, like TEST. Let's write it down, and now you have to tap on this buy now. Now you have to tap on customize if you want. So here are some things, some options, like if you want to allow joining others, and if you want your friends to be allowed in this server, you can do these settings in this customize. And you can now go back. Let me type it again, test by. Okay, so now this is my server, and if you want to join it, just tap on this server, just tap on this join button, and you will be able to joining your server. So it's very simple, and you can see that in this server I'm the only one here right now. If someone join me, then I can create them also. So that's a simple steps. So after new update, but creating a new private server is a bit different. So you have to follow this process, following these steps to create your own server. So if you like it, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.